हाय मैम, आपका ही पार्सल है।
हाँ भैया, मेरा ही है। हाँ भैया, थैंक यू सो मच। Finally enroll. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow! This is how I choose my course? Oh wow. No. This looks boring. Let me choose something interesting. Journey. Okay, the journey starts here. Let me grab my laptop. Let me explore this. My account. Alright, this is LMS. Choose Genia certificate program. Alright, they have lots of modules. Choose module 1. Looks interesting. Hello.
Hi.
Is this my SSN?
Yes, Anmol this side from Career 247.
So actually, I had a doubt regarding the recording sessions. How can I find them?
Okay, so class recordings are available on the LMS under the class record sessions. You can select the appropriate data range to find the sessions you are looking for.
Okay. So will I find all the recordings there?
Yes, whatever sessions will happen till now, you will find it on the portal.
Okay. Thank you so much. They have sessions as well. Let me explore that. Let me go with session 27. Every learner completes hands-on projects with real data. I think they have quiz as well. Explore that. Attempt the quiz session. Attempt. This looks tricky. Select the second option. They told me I can prepare for placements through tool. Let me see what is that.
Hello. Today, we'll dive into the topic of basic prompt types and patterns. Specifically, we'll focus on level 1 concepts, question prompts. Let's start simple.
Basically, I don't know anything how to prepare for interview.
No worries. Let's focus on the topic at hand, basic prompt types and patterns. We'll build your understanding step by step.
End the interview and see my report. Oh, this is my report. I just got 2 out of 5. Need to work on it. I have top 3 strengths plus areas to improve. This will really help me. Hello sir, good afternoon. Actually I got my report and I just got 2 out of 5 and I'm really tense about that.
Sure, good afternoon, Ruchi. So, I've gone through your interview report before connecting to you today.
Yeah.
But one thing I can honestly say that 2 out of 5 is not actually an ideal score, which as a mentor or a trainer I'm expecting as well. We at Career 247 have already seen a lot of learners do this general mistake. Not doing a lot of hands-on, but trying to give an interview where you have to talk too much.
Right.
So sometimes very rarely you get a chance to do hands-on and show to the panel, but in general it is more of oral communication, right?
Correct.
Do this exercise for maybe 10-15 minutes, like try to figure out which prompt is actually for zero shot, which prompt is apt for chain of thought, which prompt is apt for one shot.
True.
So you get the confidence that okay, I'm giving the prompt in this way and this is being considered as a zero shot.
Right.
So that gives a lot of confidence for you when you go for next interview. So
HR rounds, tech rounds, feedback reports, all included.
I really didn't expect that they will build mock interviews platform for us. They have certificate section. Let me see that. This is crazy. They have collaborated with PwC. This will add credibility to my portfolio. Let me download this. Certificate in my box. Let me see.
Riya, look at this. I got certificate from Career 247.
Oh my god, did you get a certification from PwC as well? Wow. Did you know what? I had paid for a course few months back. They just provided me with videos, no assignments, no mock interviews, no projects.
And you know what? I got all of them. Videos, assignments, certificates, interview bar, as well as career support. All you get in one place.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Career 247 is different. So now I know why everybody is recommending Career 247.
Career 247, the place where you learn, build, and get placed.